Welcome to BARTEC Live at OTC 2024. OTC stands for Offshore Technology Conference, and it is the largest oil and gas trade show in the world, with more than 30,000 registered professionals and more than 1,300 exhibitors. My name is Stefan Schaffer, and in the name of everyone at BARTEC, welcome to the series of live events. Over the next couple of days, we'll be speaking to more than a dozen professionals about trends in the industry, new innovative safety solutions, digitization, oil and gas, and so much more. And my guest this morning is Chris Sadler, VP for the Americas for the Extronics and Connectivity product line. Good morning, Chris. How are you?
Good morning. Hi, Stefan. Really good, thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for being here.
Okay, it's good to be here.
Chris, Extronics joined the BARTEC group a couple of months ago.
It did, yeah.
What exactly does Extronics stand for? What are the products? What are the solutions?
Sure, yeah, good question. Thanks, Stefan. So we bring to the party, the BARTEC family, we bring a couple of products and solutions. I'll summarize those at a high level, really. So the first is we bring a range of wireless enclosure systems designed to empower IoT hardware and infrastructure that doesn't normally have the certification required to place it in the hazardous or classified area. That's a big growing area for us, actually, as more and more people put or want connectivity or IoT devices out on site, basically out in our plants. The other area that we work in that's very much sort of digital and IoT is what we call our RTLS solution or journey. So we have hardware and software that can empower the tracking of assets out on site, or we can help, say, with a mustering event. And so that's sort of high level our RTLS offering. We'll talk about that in a minute, I guess. And then thirdly, we've got another division that we like to call Auto ID, which is again the empowering of UHF RFID technology into our hazardous or classified areas. Radio barcodes, which is becoming more popular in our industry as people move away from optical systems to radio type tagging and tracking.
Yeah, that's an exciting product line, from wireless to RTLS all the way to RFID. Now, how would clients typically use these products? What are some typical applications and use cases?
Yeah, it's a good question. So typical use cases and applications that we've seen in recent years is the move from say, Wi-Fi from indoors to outdoors. So you want a Wi-Fi connectivity out on plant. How do you do it? You want to use the same hardware and controllers that you've already got. You'd use our wireless enclosure systems to put the same radios into Division 1, Zone 1, or Division 2 more likely, and Zone 2. So that's very classic application for connectivity, and also for sort of condition monitoring systems that are using, that need gateways out on site so they can receive the signals from sensors measuring vibration and temperature. And typically that hardware does not have the certification required, so you need to put it in enclosure to be compliant to code. And then other areas, so moving away from wireless, moving to things like accountability on site. So there's a mustering event, you've got your clipboards and pens, very kind of manual process. How can you automate that? How can you kind of enhance the clipboard with knowing if people have mustered or not, that kind of thing. So that would come under our RTLS sort of application. And then to the kind of classic, where's my stuff on site? Where's my forklift trucks? Where are my lifts? Where are my harnesses? So you can tag all your assets and the inventory during a maintenance event and seek them out and find them more quickly, really.
Yeah, and so you're speaking a lot to the clients, I notice, and you know a lot about the applications. From your perspective, what are the main reasons why customers are actually using such technology? Is it for safety, efficiency, regulatory compliance, or what are the main drivers?
Well, the main driver is the obvious one. It's compliance, being compliant to code, NEC 500, 505 code, and of course that ties in with safety. So it's taking IoT or digital solutions and technology that are available in the ordinary location and has been for many years, and our industries and our customers want to do that in our industry, which of course has areas that are classified and hazardous. So your choice of equipment is very limited. So you just want to take the proven technology and move it into the hazardous area, and that's where we help.
Yeah, and digitization, oil and gas surely is a very big topic also here at OTC this year. I'm a client, I want to learn more about what you have to offer, I want to be in touch with you, I want to discuss a project,
Yeah.
how would that normally work? What kind of information do you need? How can I reach out to you?
Yeah, so there's a lot of channels you can reach us at on the BARTEC website, bartec.com, or just easily sales@bartec.com, and that'll get to us. So in the first instance, all we need is very high level. What is it that you want to do in terms of your project? You don't have to go into too much detail at the early stages. RTLS, for example, is a multi-layered journey of discovery. It can use all kinds of elements and components. It really is about your site environment. What is it that you want to do on site, and then we can tailor and adjust the solution. Same with deploying wireless. What kind of radio do you want to put out on site? Those kind of questions. Just keep it high level to start, and we're easily searchable on the web.
Perfect. Well, Chris, this is really exciting. I'm glad that Extronics
Right.
is now part of BARTEC.
Yep.
And if you also felt this excitement, if you want to speak more to Chris about your opportunities, about your needs for digitization in oil and gas, please use the contact information here already supplied, or just drop us a note here on social media. At BARTEC, we are so incredibly excited to be your trusted advisor when it comes to hazardous areas. We have more than 5 decades of experience and one of the widest portfolios in the industry. So please reach out to us, please communicate with us, please talk to us, and we'll work together to increase safety, regulatory compliance, and also process efficiencies of your operations. This being said, please also make sure to connect with us either virtually online or here at booth 3815 at OTC 2024 in Houston. We're looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.